Hi, I'm Crystal Hawkins, a licensed professional counselor and licensed clinical alcohol and drug counselor. Welcome to Fill Your Cup First. When you're working to maintain sobriety, one of the biggest challenges can be breaking the habits tied to old routines. Maybe it's the drink after work, the weekend party, or that certain playlist that used to set the mood. Those rituals can create powerful triggers, not just psychological, but physical. That's where replacement rituals come in. Research shows that our brains crave familiarity and routine. By intentionally replacing old habits with new, meaningful ones, we can rewire those reward pathways and reduce the pull of cravings. Here's one way you can start today. Identify one high risk time or situation, like Friday nights or stressful evenings, and create a new ritual for that same space. For example, if you used to pour a drink after work, make it calming tea and step outside for deep breaths instead. If weekends feel empty, schedule a walk, a support group, or a creative hobby during that time. The key is not to avoid the trigger, because let's face it, life is full of triggers. Some you can avoid, which is good, but you can't always avoid all of your triggers. But what you can do is replace how you respond to it. Replace it with something that meets the same need, whether that's comfort, connection, or relaxation in a healthier way. You're not just breaking old patterns, you're building new ones that help your nervous system and your identity heal. If this message encouraged you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And of course, share it with someone who could use a little encouragement today. Also, visit filledandpour.com for a free resource to help you along your journey of self-improvement. Until we meet again, remember to fill your cup first and then pour into others.